Two-sided.
Go play your kids.
Daddy. Let's go! I have a cool day today. I have a cool day today. Yeah, 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 yeah. I have a cool day today. Oh, no, we got it now. We got it. See, we got it there. We got it on two guys. See? Oh, they're making a rocket.
That's what me and Sky was just doing right now.
Here's
Is
cool
that a
rocket.
red rocket?
What do you know what you're having, Papa?
A rocket. I made they're making me a rocket table.
Ooh!
I knew it was a table, but I never knew it was this.
Daddy, I'm the only one that doesn't have a table.
Too bad, so
Oh.
sad.
Shani.
To my rocket, Dada.
Stop.
Back.
Yes, please, Chanel.
Mommy, actually, superhero.
Chanel, you see this thing?
Mommy is a superhero. Mommy is a superhero.
This thing makes
Mommy is a superhero.
This looks pretty cool.
What is this? Oh, that's
You can reduce it.
Oh, yeah, doing this wrong.
And what should the toaster away? Who's broken the camera? Mama, I took a horse away. So can I block the camera? Okay. See, it's normal cookie. Wait, I kept it there.
I can play with it, that's why.
No, I know I feel with there. It will block the camera. I want to see my table rocket. And it will be good. Like I saw my table rocket will be very nice. I saw Daddy. I saw my table rocket will be very nice. I think so. Guys, don't make that stupid octopus up, okay? That's the octopus. Daddy, this is how you make the table. Daddy, this is how you make the table, Daddy. Daddy, actually looks so cool, Daddy. It looks so cool, Daddy. I'm so beautiful. What you go for? Actually, it looks very cool, Daddy. It looks cool. It looks very cool. There's the chair. How do you come here?
There's no rocket.
No, a rocket table. The rocket table. Mommy, I did on the rocket.
It's not a rocket table.
Yes. Yeah, then what's the difference, Daddy? Can we put stickers on it? Can we put stickers on it? Wait. Daddy, can we put stickers on that? And my table, yes or no?
Yes.
Can we put the stickers on it?
Guys, wait.
Daddy said yes. Daddy said yes. Only at the end, Daddy said yes. Only at the end. You could take the tape off, but you could take the off. You did all of it. You never did. Never. Ever. That's impossible, Daddy.
That's it, Mama.
It won't
And
be
then-
impossible.
And then this one, I'm gonna put it in. Yeah, see?
Yeah, like that.
That's it.
Okay, good. I'm putting this picture.
Wait, Skylar.
Oh, it is a house. Look, this is not a house and that's a house. What's up for this movie?
I just said where to put it, and you said you want to put it there. So put it where you want to.
Oh, but I don't know where to put it.
Me too. I don't know where to put it too.
Oh, it's a put it there, Mom.
Your table.
It's a put it there. Judy, you can put it in the color frame.
Yeah.
If it's See, you went to my dad's. Even my dad's is so tiny. Even my dad's is more bigger than you. So you can sit on it.
Actually, my dad's the one that didn't use my
Now, maybe it's the same Suzy and the same truck, right? Hey guys, this is my room, and mommy and daddy bought this present for me. Daddy, cause it's my birthday. And I got my TV, my bed, my table, my toes, and also my charger.
Okay, Papa.
And I have my nose too.
Yay. So what do you have on your table?
TV, an iPad, a ticker, another ticker. That's my basket, and 2 glasses, and a perfume, and then Legos.
Okay. Do you want to sit on your seat so we can see? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Shani got his present. Ooh, yes, Papa. Correct, Papa.
Let's do my film now.
Okay.
And then let's do my work.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Ma. Ooh. 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 This is what my guy got for his birthday from Mommy and Daddy. Oh, crew. Okay, Pa. I love it. So simple.
Yes. Thank you for my present, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome, Papa.
Every check.
A crew, change your style. Another style, Papa. Another one. Again. A crew, pose for me. And what are you wearing?
10 finger.
Pants and shirt and Jordan shoes. Okay. And your glasses are from Zara?
Zara
Okay,
Kid.
perfect. Zara Kid, perfect.
I knew it would be Zara Kid.
Okay.
Having family. Today, guys, we're going out, and yeah, outfit check.
Okay, okay, Miss Ma. Yeah, Allah. Skyra, outfit check. Okay. Ooh, okay, Miss Ma. Okay, Papa, your turn. Okay. Crew. Oh. Really, Papa? Bafuma. I don't know life. Hey! All right, pose for me. Okay. Keep changing your styles. Okay. 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 All right. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay. Okay, guys.
She put you in the middle.
Uh-huh.
Be there, you be there.
Are you guys for real?
Yes, that's no. No, stand up. Stand up. Okay, stand up.
Okay, you. Mwah. 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 Mwah.